Psalm 95, from the Common English Bible. Come, let's sing out loud to the Lord. Let's raise a joyful shout to the rock of our salvation. Two, let's come before him with thanks. Let's shout songs of joy to him. Three, the Lord is a great garden. The great king over all other gods. Four, the earth's depths are in his hands, the mountains' heights belong to him. Five, the sea which he made is his, along with the dry ground which his own hands formed. Six, come, let's worship and bow down. Let's kneel before the Lord our Maker. Seven, he is our God, and we are the people of his pasture, the sheep in his hands. If only you would listen to his voice right now. Eight. Eight. Don't harden your hearts like you did at Meribah, like you did when you were Massah in the wilderness. Nine, when your ancestors tested me and scrutinized me, even though they had already seen my acts. 10. For 40 years I despised that generation. I said, those people have twisted hearts. They don't know my ways. Eleven. So in anger I swore, they will never enter my place of rest.